Princess! So our kids are pretty great, huh?
Yeah, we have a boy who is 5 and a little girl who's 7.
And they are in kinder and first grade.
Yes.
And they play sports.
They play basketball and soccer.
And they cheer.
So Chance Wayne, are those your kids?
Duh, Princess. Why would I bring someone else's kids to meet someone as famous as you?
Those kids look nothing like you guys.
Well, I'm Mrs. Wayne.
Why did you marry this girl? Where did you marry this girl? And who are those kids?
They're my kids, and this is Heavenly, the love of my life. I went to go get her, and we eloped, and we had a small service with just us two in a pasture, and it was beautiful.
This is my husband and our children, and you have no right to ask where they came from because it's none of your business, you little princess.
How did you guys get married without your father's approval?
When he found out we were going to elope, he rushed over to us to try to stop us, but he got into a really bad car accident and died.
Okay. So how are you guys as kids?
Good.
We have little Timmy and Patty.
Yeah, that's what they like to be called.
They play soccer and basketball, and yeah. So what about you?
I mean, I've been nominated for a lot of Grammys, and it's just been great. My career isn't dead. The 2 movies I was in, one was called The Grandma's Life, and the other one was How to Live the Life. So yeah, it's just been great. Like, I really don't care anymore if I'm old. I just got traumatized from that one time. But yeah, I'm gonna win the Grammys, that's all I know.
You were also in Sweet Bird of Youth, right?
Yeah!
That was a good movie.
Me too.
Just
End it. Come on.
Wait, what did
Well, I'm Mrs. Wayne.